Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Combat Gods Plate gloves in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to head out to the town of Tomaso. When you get here, there will be a quest called Emperor of the Bone Pit. This quest is about joining an unarmed combat tournament where you need to win. Now, let's take a look at this quest. It starts with meeting a fellow Greymane talking about a bone pit fight. After this cutscene, let's just follow the quest waypoint to progress this quest. Now all we need to do is to qualify twice to fight the boss. This boss fight is quite hard and it took me 3 tries to beat him. But if you manage to beat this fight, you'll be rewarded with the gear. This gear is already imbued with lightning affinity, so each strike deals lightning damage. If you use this during combat, each attack from your left click deals knockback with additional damage. Lastly, your damage increases with consecutive attacks. These gloves may not be the best for group combat, but if you're fighting only one enemy, this might be the best way to deal with them. And that is how to get the Combat Gods Plate gloves in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.